Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair one of these Ford radios that look like this. So these came in a multitude of vehicles, F-150s, Fusions, Escapes, Explorers, Expeditions, basically it came in this 2004 F-150 here, and I've noticed that sometimes the LCD does not work, or sometimes it'll work if you kind of press on the head unit in a certain place. It'll come back to life. Sometimes it just doesn't. Everything else works. This head unit that I pulled from the junkyard out of Expedition is exhibiting that problem. So let me show you how I fix that. I'm going to move this inside to the bench, but first I'm going to show you what you have to do. I'm not going to show you how to take it out of the vehicle because it's unique to every vehicle. A Mustang is different than a Fusion, is different than an F-150. But once you have it out, there are 4 of these Torex star screws that you take out, 2 on the top here and 2 underneath, right there, 1 and 2. Once you pull those off, you should be able to release these tabs, these metal tabs, push them down, and pull the faceplate right off of the head unit. So I have it taken apart, and I was examining the circuit board, all of the solder connections on all of the components, and I was looking at those 4 resistors right there, and to the naked eye they look fine, but I wanted to show you what they look like under the microscope. Okay, so that's what one of them looks like under the microscope. Clearly that is a cracked solder joint, and it is definitely cracked all the way across. So that is most likely making some very intermittent contact. And let's see, there, that one is okay. That one is okay. That one is also very cracked. So that is also probably making intermittent contact. So basically, I think this is lead-free solder, and lead-free solder, at least back when this radio was manufactured back in 2010, was a very new process. The lead-free solder, the reflow temperatures are higher, and the solder has a tendency to crack if it's cooled improperly or not subjected to the right conditions while cooling. And it was a very big problem in the electronics industry back 10 years ago or so when this thing was made. And here we can see the results. Anyway, I'm going to go back and reflow these components, and I'm going to examine every other component on the board and make sure that they do not have cracked solder joints. And you really can't see this. I could not see this with the naked eye. It requires a microscope or stereoscope like this in order to see. I just wanted to throw this up here and show you what happens. I finished reflowing. I'll give you a look through the lens if I can manage it. Anyway, sorry about this. I tore down the monitor setup. Anyway, there's one. Completely reflowed. Crack is gone. So hopefully this will work. Alright, so I've repaired a couple of these head units that have that same problem, and it's always those large flat resistors, black resistors. So if you don't have a microscope and you can't see, I would just resolder all of those and that normally will solve your problem. And I don't have that one in the truck right now, so I can't show that it works, but it definitely works. So anyway, thanks for joining me on this quick video. I hope you found it useful, and if you like these videos, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you next time.